Say no to drugs. My garbage disposal is broken.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl NeneSoCrazy, and I'm back with a new VLOGTOBER video. If you're a returning subscriber, what's happening? If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It's gonna be a different one. I'm gonna try to get as much as I can. I'm currently in pain. Um, oh, my daughter's not helping. Oh, as you guys can see. Yeah. My Vlogtober day 9, 10, 9 and 10 is gonna have to sink in with day 11, which will be tomorrow. I will have to tell you guys everything that happened today, tomorrow. It'll be like a little story time, I guess. I will try to keep some details confidential, um, due to personal reasons. Um, but I will try to let you guys know as much as I can without giving out too much. You guys already see the arm sling and facial expressions from the 30-pound butterball that keep plopping on me, aka my daughter. But yeah, I will just let you guys know tomorrow because my arm is hurting now just to hold the phone up for this angle. So I'll see you guys tomorrow on day 10, 11. Sorry, on day 11. I'll see you guys and let you know everything then. Alright? Peace. Because I will take my medicine. I'm in so much pain. I'll see y'all tomorrow, man. What's up, y'all? It's your girl NeneSoCrazy. I'm still injured. I hope you guys can hear me because I'm in pain. So I don't know why I'm looking that way. Camera here. Sorry. But your girl, you want to say hi? Hi. What are you doing there? Say hi. Hi. You know, he gotta come say hi to y'all. Hi, dear. Go. Stop, Junior. I'm hurting. Stop. So, I want to try to catch you guys up on day 9 and 10, even though today is day 11. This video is going to be short, unfortunately, because I'm recovering. Had an accident on the city bus, and I don't want to give out too much detail because it's kind of like a situation right now. So I want to just catch you guys up and tell you that your girl done tried some gummies. I done tried these. And it's THC. It's THC in there. It's first time having gummies. So if you guys see something different, let me know. Because this is my first time. I'm a virgin when it comes to these edibles. I'm a virgin when it comes to these gummies. I'm feeling something, but I mostly am feeling the pain. To be honest, I'm not really feeling the gummy. Maybe if I let it sit in or simmer or however you want to put it, marinate, I guess however you want to put it. I would. I'm sorry, I'm getting distracted on my peripheral, but just make sure I stay on my P's and Q's because I really don't know how to act. But yeah, I want to kind of catch you guys up. Unfortunately, this video is going to be short. I'm still trying to stay along with the days and everything, but this video will of the um Joseph. Stop, baby. So yeah, I want to tell you guys what happened, but like I said, it's a situation right now that I really can't speak too much on it. Just be careful. Everybody with kids, especially, just be careful. When traveling, people are just not thinking straight. They're trying to get, I guess, back on track from the hurricane, if you want to call it a hurricane. Um, but yeah, I'm starting to feel a little bit. Um, but I am going to get some rest. We had some Domino's, which is right there, thanks to my mom. We had Domino's for dinner because I can't cook. And I promised I wanted me some baked chicken, collard greens, and rice with some mac and cheese. I wanted to throw down, but it is what it is. So, um, bro, I think it's starting to kick in because I had a train of thought. Like I had something to talk about. I had something to tell you guys. I didn't want this video to be blah, but after taking this and talking about these, I lost my train of thought. I am still gonna stick with what I know, and that's the blunt. I'm sorry, I gotta roll up. But right now I'm okay. I'm starting to feel relaxed or whatnot, but I don't really feel like the stories that I would hear about gummies. Hold on. So yeah, I really can't feel it. So yeah, I really can't feel it. I mean, I feel it, but I'm feeling more of my muscles relaxing and like my pain is starting to ease. Um, but yeah, I don't think I'll be going back to gummies. Um, it's the first for me, of course. But yeah, I hope y'all can hear me. I really do because like my 2 videos ago or a couple videos ago, my voice was low and I was blaming my case or the phone itself, but it was really me. I was talking too low. That's why I said in a few videos a while ago, a long time ago, I need to get my ears checked because I feel like when I'm talking in a tone of voice that you guys can hear me, it seems like I'm talking too low. But now when I'm talking loud enough, it feels like I'm yelling at y'all. So I want to get my ears checked just to make sure that everything is good because I swear I feel like I'm yelling, but you guys can hear me. But if I'm talking in a normal tone of voice to me, I'm whispering to y'all. So I'm gonna try to schedule an appointment to see somebody, whoever the doctor or physician is that certifies or specializes in ears. Um, I am going to get it checked. Um, so yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. Like I said, this is going to be a very short. Unfortunately, this is going to be a very short video. Um, my best one so far was days 7 and 8. That was the best vlog so far. If you have not caught up, go get caught up. Um, Girl been doing Vlogtober since day 1, and we're on day 11. So if you need to catch up, go catch up. Other than that, I'll see you guys tomorrow, day 12. Hopefully, I will be in better spirits and better condition. But yeah, next time I will see you guys. It will be tomorrow on day 12. Leave a comment down below if you ever took an edible and how it felt for you. Because for me, I'm like right now I took it at 6:40. It's 6:53. Just then, just literally looking back and forth, dizzy. So I guess it's starting to kick in. I don't know. I'm used to blunts because I know when I smoke, I will instantly feel my systems. I'm not used to these slow reactions or whatnot. I don't know, but maybe I'll record again to show you guys how I actually feel in probably 5-10 more minutes. But right now, so I know I was about to close out. Probably still gonna close it out, but I might come back to let you guys know how I feel in like 7. So I'll see you guys in like 7 minutes, 5 to 7 minutes. And then I'll close it out then, because I still even got that aftertaste of the gummy, and that's nasty to me. It tastes real. It tastes like weed is just sitting in my throat, like literally, and I can't get it. And it's not the stem that mess that you get when you smoking or breaking it down, but that taste, like that aftertaste of weed, I feel that in my throat, literally. I don't like that. So yeah, I will see you guys in like 5 minutes and let you know how it feels for me. Y'all leave in the comments how it felt for you, because this is a first for me. So I'll read and respond and all that good stuff. But yeah. So I will see you guys in like 5 minutes, and then I'll close out because, as you can see, I still gotta get rest. I shouldn't even be on my feet right now because my leg is injured as well. But that's neither here or there. I'll see you guys in like 5 minutes. Peace. Say no to drugs. say, say no to drugs. That is a real. Bro. What? Say no to. She's hit me in the face with it. This is her reaction to the gummies.
We don't put that out there.
But I'm calm and shit. This is her reaction to the gummies.
Because I haven't done it here, baby.
Oh, no. I haven't smoked in like a year.
This is
I
October.
constantly smoke, so I'm not really feeling it.
Last year, because December I went to for the thing the first time, remember? In October.
You know this is on him recording. I'll edit it out. They can't see you. So, the verdict of the gummies. Me, I don't really feel it. I feel high. I feel like a normal high. It feels like if I was to smoke a blunt, but I'm not feeling the heat or the warmness from the blunt.
Oh, you don't feel that.
I'm not feeling none of that. Not saying that I was expecting to. I don't know what I was expecting, but yeah, I don't really feel much. I probably won't come back to a gummy because it feels like it's the same far as with hold on, y'all. Let me get my daughter sleepy. Let me get her situated and I'll come back. She wants Gigi juice. And my thing just came up. Oh, I got it twisted. That's why I want to stick.
It's in here.
No, you gotta. I'll see y'all in a minute. Come on. What's up, y'all? It's your girl NeneSoCrazy, and I'm back with a new video. If you try to subscribe, what's happening? If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm putting this all in one video, so I'm sorry with the intro constantly, but it is a new day, so it is what it is. As you can see, my sling is off. Say hi. Say hi. You stink. Say hi. Hi. So yeah, my sling is off. Doctor's orders. I have to move my arm and can't keep it in one position for a long period of time, so I have to move my arm and stuff like that. But out of all days, your girl breaks her garbage disposal. My garbage disposal is broken. Great. I mean, sorry, stop. I mean, it's moving. It's you can hear it move and works or whatnot, but it's not bringing anything down. I think it's too much rice from me. Yeah, I messed up that yeah. Um, so I gotta get it fixed. Don't know how, don't know when. Definitely soon. As far as like when to contact. I've already called maintenance and hopefully, hopefully they'll get it fixed by Friday. I'll give them till Friday, but yeah, I need. Yeah, the freaking garbage disposal just went out on me. Like literally, just went out. So if I had like a wire hanger or like a snake, I'll get up in there and really get what's blocking, you know. But it is what it is. I want to try to make this video short though because I'm trying to get back on track so I can start my vlog off from the right start tomorrow. So I apologize if this vlog or these past couple of vlogs synced in one. It's a little choppy, but you know this is day to day. This is what happens throughout my life. So, what you have to do what you. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys on day 13. I think it's the 13th. I'll see you guys on next vlog. Okay, next VLOGTOBER. Alright, peace.
I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give